they and their security should be given. The second, court have prima facie arrived that there was no disclosure of a cognizable offence. Third, the court has prima facie arrived that the grounds of arrest was given mechanically and there was no grounds of arrest as is required to be given under Article 22(1) of the Constitution of India and 47 of BNSS. So therefore, the court has allowed interim bail and all issues have been left open to be decided later on.
Any clause, any observation from the...
These are the observations I am saying, prima facie observations, because the court,
regarding the passport, any
the court, that is all the standard objections. If the police feels that she can run away or she has a flight risk, but having said that, they did not say that. But any case, we are ready and we were ready and willing to give our passport, because we want to have composite investigation. Actually, it is our case that I am wronged. The way my sexually explicit videos and all have been made up by different perpetrators of hate, and no action has been taken on those grave, and they are far more grievous in punishment and grievous in nature. But Kolkata police have not taken any action. It's an action of high-handedness by Kolkata police, perhaps on instructions to appease somebody.
Any order for security in this matter?
Court expressed shock over the way the treatment was made to the complaints of Sarmishra.
I'm sure the court said it in so many words that this is shocking, or what has been given to the police, and police has not acted on it. It is shocking.
सर
कोर्ट ने कोई डिससैटिस्फैक्शन सामने लाया है कि वो एक्यूज अरेस्ट नहीं हुआ, जो कंप्लेनेंट है उसके खिलाफ भी तो
No, we
स्पेसिफिक
had,
केस हुआ.
see, that occasion did not arise today. The court is on a vacation. This is a vacation court. So I think the matter was very limited to whether the bail could be granted today. And I think, let us put it at that. All other issues are open. It is not open to me to now forecast what will happen or what will happen.
sir, for security.
Security has already been given by the court while releasing her on interim bail, considering the grave situation.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
For Sarmishra Kanoli, an application quashing all the FIRs. We also wanted her bail to be given. We also wanted protection for her. And lastly, we wanted all cases to be clubbed. As far as the clubbing of the cases that happened on 3rd, her interim bail has been granted today. The quashing and all other questions will be addressed during the course of the hearing after the pleadings are complete, and the court will hear the larger construct of what we had asked for. This is a case where this girl, in the heat of Operation Sindoor, when there was war of words between Indians and Pakistanis, alleged to have said something against Islam. Now whether it is or it is not is to be seen. But nevertheless, on 9th, when this post was uploaded, the same post was deleted completely by her herself on 8th and regretted it, and has later on issued apology for it. She did not know at that time that there was any case which was registered. She came to Kolkata, where her parents reside, in wake of the threats that were made on social media to her from different quarters. On 15th, she landed in the morning, and all this while, from 15th to 19th, she and her father has been running from pillar to post to different police stations. On 15th and 19th, because they were in the police headquarters, so there is an issuance of slip. They are photographed with the slip till 19th, 3:30. They were present in the different police stations, and they were actually pleading for security to be given to them. When no security was given till 19th evening and the crowd and the threat perception kept on increasing, it went to an extent that they had to immediately take a decision and they rushed to a safer location in Delhi. It is not absconsion. It is, they had no idea because till 19 they are in police stations of Kolkata police, in police headquarters. Why would they go to a police headquarters if the case has been registered? Why would they run away? They themselves were under a security threat, and that is why all along this police has been playing with words as far as they are concerned, that we will see what we can do. No security was provided, which compelled them to go away from this place. After they have gone, we feel that they were aware the day we left, and immediately they would have tried to serve notice. However, what they did not know is that we had informed our society that we are going and will be away because of this threat. And there is absolutely nothing with the police in the society on record that the police ever came. Moreover, they had my emails, Panoli's emails, the father's email, their phone numbers. They could have, and it is not their case that they have tried this. They could have issued notice under 35(3) on their social media, on WhatsApp, on their emails. It was all along available.
Singh, tell this in short. What is the order today?
So today the court has considered all this. Court has considered three things. Prima facie, that one, the